Welcome to CopierOnline Philippines Incorporated, where technology, craftsmanship, and care come together to give machines a second life and businesses a powerful head start. Here, remanufacturing is more than just a process. It's a commitment guided by our mission. Commitment, professionalism, and integrity are our main keys in delivering all of our products and services to our customers. We believe that excellence is built from the inside out. Step 1 of our copier manufacturing process is foreign purchasing inspection. We begin overseas inspecting and sourcing premium quality used copier models. Only those with strong structural integrity, reliable history, and restoration potential pass our inspection. Step 2. Importation, clearance, and storage. Once selected, the machines are shipped and securely cleared through customs. After clearing, they're transferred to our Philippine warehouse where each unit is barcoded, tracked, and staged for remanufacturing. This step is critical because organization is the foundation of precision.
Manufactured copier, commitment and integrity is our mission. Professionalism with a new innovation. Copier Online Philippines Incorporated, here for the client.
Step 3. Disassembling. Now the transformation begins. Each copier is completely disassembled, part by part, allowing our team to identify worn components, clean internal assemblies, and inspect hidden mechanisms. We treat every machine as a fresh blueprint with the goal of restoring factory level performance or better. Alongside remanufactured units, we also provide brand new multifunction copiers from trusted global brands such as Canon, Konica Minolta, Sharp, Toshiba, Ricoh, and Risograph. Whether it's a startup or an enterprise, we've got a copier tailored to every scale. Beyond copiers, we also provide a full line of office printers including Epson, M&G, HP, and Phantom, perfect for document-intensive work environments. We don't just deliver hardware, we deliver office-ready solutions.
The country's leading provider.
And if you're in the business of high-volume printing, we offer production multifunction copiers such as Canon IR Advance, Ricoh Pro printers, Risograph Comcolor, and Konica Accurio Press, ideal for commercial output.
Supplying any type of multifunction.
Need something more specialized? We also supply large format printers and DTF machines like QC-FTT and QC-FT-DTF for textile and signage industries. And yes, we deliver nationwide.
Of high quality remanufactured.
Step 4. Parts processing and cleaning. Components are then sent for deep cleaning, removing toner residue, dust, and micro debris. We use industry-standard cleaning systems to preserve each part's precision. Worn or outdated components are flagged for replacement or reconditioning. Looking for smart ID printers, 3D printers, or even digital foil printers? We've got them. From education to government, from retail to design, we provide tools that support modern workflows. We also offer handheld printers for mobility and UV coating machines, laminators, automatic cutters, and shredders for finishing. Complete your print room with our office equipment line, designed for productivity.
With the budget operation.
Our inventory also includes unique items like acoustic booth pods for soundproof workspaces, ice makers, AVRs, and industrial fans, helping offices stay cool, connected, and efficient.
Their perfect binding machine.
Step 5 is replacement of consumables. Every consumable is replaced with new and high-grade parts, such as drums, rollers, toners, user units, developer, and more. We use trusted toner brands like our very own
Copy toner.
Pro and many others to guarantee long-term output performance. Why Copier Online? At Copier Online Philippines Incorporated, we live by our vision to help individuals, businesses, and organizations in their production and printing needs through economical and innovative equipment that makes the power of distribution attainable. From refurbished copiers to full printing ecosystems, we deliver technology with purpose. We offer free delivery, lifetime after sales support, expert repair and maintenance, and we are trusted nationwide.
With a new innovation.
Step 6 is reassembly, programming, and calibration. Once cleaned and refreshed, the copier is reassembled to factory specifications. Our technicians program and calibrate each machine for toner density, image quality, alignment, print speed, and power efficiency. It's not just about making it work again, it's about optimizing it. And when you need more, we provide office supplies like bond paper, PVC, laminating film, ring binders, book binding tools, font sets, and so much more. Do you need to print 1,000 flyers or just a few calling cards? Try our in-house printing services such as photocopy, color printing, brochures, flyers, modules, yearbooks, and much more. Everything under one roof. We proudly offer free delivery within Metro Manila and customized nationwide logistics support for clients outside the city.
Wide range of compatible links.
Step 7 Quality Control. Every machine undergoes intensive quality control, print volume simulations, warm up tests, multi size printing, and mechanical endurance trials. Our multi point checklist ensures every function meets factory grade standards. From sourcing to servicing, we handle it all. You'll find our machines in offices, schools, printing shops, LGUs, and small businesses across the Philippines, powering productivity.
Functional printer. Quezon City.
The final step is packaging and delivery. Each unit is securely packed for transport, foam wrapped, sealed, and labeled for easy setup. And to keep your machine in top shape, we offer preventive maintenance service, on call repairs, in house servicing, all backed by our lifetime after sales support. That's our promise. We don't walk away after delivery. We stay with you for life.
Corporate.
Visit us, partner with us. Let's build something efficient together. Copier Online Philippines Incorporated, powered by innovation, driven by integrity.
Copier online.